Welcome to this learning session on how to describe and identify processes. A process is a set of repetitive activities that continuously transforms an input into another form called an output. A process can be a machine, man, or man-machine system. During processing, work is done and value added to the input. The set of input, process, output is sometimes called an operating system. If you identify the customer or user of the output and supplier of the input and add them to the operating system, you have constructed the CPOC diagram, which provides a more thorough understanding of the process. Let's now take a look at some examples of processes. You may think right away of a factory that converts raw materials into finished goods, like a factory making pencils out of wood. Your IT department also operates like a factory when it transforms raw data into information or reports. Call centers process inquiries into responses. Fast food restaurants convert our calls into food delivered at our doorstep. Your accounting department processes supplier invoices to produce checks. Banks convert our deposits into loans. Schools turn students into employable graduates. Plants, through photosynthesis, convert carbon dioxide into oxygen. You enter hospitals as sick patients and come out hopefully as healthy persons. Maintenance fixes broken equipment and sends them back as working equipment. Our car converts fuel into motion. Meetings process issues and information into decisions or resolutions. Our lungs, like our heart, are non-stop hard-working factories, removing carbon dioxide from blood and returning them as fresh oxygenated blood. The dam system converts falling water into electricity. Courts and juries process evidence and produce verdicts from them. From these examples, you can observe that processes can have tangible as well as intangible inputs and outputs. Manufacturers or factories turn tangible materials into tangible products. Car converts tangible fuel into intangible motion. Your neighborhood pizza shop processes intangible phone orders into tangible pizzas delivered to your office. The IT department converts intangible data into intangible information. A special process is a service factory, wherein the inputs as well as the outputs are the customers themselves. Examples are schools, hotels, hospitals, and airlines. Service factories are special in that while customers are inputs like raw materials, they can't be treated like inventory as they go through the entire process. Other than this distinction, we can analyze processes of service factories much like real factories. Let's now learn the differences between processes and projects, since they are analyzed and managed differently. Processes are by nature repetitive or continuous, while projects are infrequently done, if not just once. Process outputs are often similar or the same, while outputs of projects like shipyards, building construction, or plane assembly are very often unique or custom-made. A process can handle many inputs at a time, called batches, while a project in general can work on only one unit at a time. Finally, process completion times are very much faster, ranging from seconds to hours, while projects can take months or even years to finish.